Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I just opened the chart and I was like, wow, look at that. If you have watched yesterday's video, you already know what I'm gonna say, right? Very respected support area decided to be broken, okay? It came up, decision point, rejected from the decision point, okay? That's already played out, but look what we have here. Very respected resistance area has been broken out. There's a decision point. I'll be quick for this one. Okay, I have to go to the lower time frame quick as possible, find my demand area, and then there we go. I go with the buys right now. Oh my god, we have the worst entry. Let me just see. This is the demand area for me, right? It's also fresh, and the market's touching that, and boom, my entry is supposed to be down here, but that's fine. All right, beautiful. I mean, bro, this market is insane. There was millions of opportunity in this chart we missed, but this one was nice. So look at these beautiful dojis, right? Doji break, doji break. This one, doji break, was a lose, but we wouldn't take this because this is a gap down, okay? Gap down can change the result of the trade. Look how beautiful rejected. We entered here, okay? So this chart is beautiful. If I mark this, I strongly suggest that watch yesterday's video, and so you can have an idea of what I'm talking about, okay? I have noticed when we have a well-respected support or resistance. What do I mean by well-respected? Is that, let's say we have a support, right? We're not talking about third touch or second touch, fourth touch. We're talking about tons of touches. The more touches we have, it means that the support has been well-respected, okay? We're not trading on the support. We wait for this one to be broken. It usually breaks like that, okay? So it creates this area that the market decided to do the breakout, and we call it decision point. Next time price comes up here, somewhere inside of this, we're gonna have a fresh supply. We find that and we put our entry exactly on that, and then we win the trade. Just like what we did right here, okay? Well respected resistance area, see? They decided to break that somewhere here. We just mark this area and we go to lower time frame step by step, okay? 30-second, we do not see a fresh supply, okay? Right here, this is not fresh, right? See, it has been consumed already. This is not fresh, it has been consumed. So I just keep going to the lower time frame until I find the fresh one. Do you see a fresh demand here? No, we don't. This is not a demand, okay? Demand should look like this, engulf. Go to 10 second. And there we go, we got the engulfing pattern. Basically, supply and demand are engulfing patterns, okay? We mark this and we enter exactly here. And we did that, and this candle rejected exactly from there, and our trade closed right here, okay? Let me just check this one. Honestly, I haven't checked this one, and this is also a good one, right? See, the decision point is somewhere here. So this rejection right here is coming from somewhere right here, okay? If we find this fresh supply, we will take the trade, right? If we don't, we will not take the trade. That's simple rule, okay? All right, I don't see nothing so far. Let me just go to 10 second. Okay, still see nothing. Go to 5 second. If I see nothing in 5 seconds, it means that we wouldn't take this trade. All right, look at that. Look what we have here. We got this beautiful. When we got this as a doji, I marked the whole doji, okay? I will make it red. Let's see if we would take this trade or not. I just draw this. Look how accurate it can be. Like, look at that. It tapped into it and it dropped. Let's go to 1 minute and see how the trade would look like. Yeah, the candle would be here, we would take the trade, and boom, it will reject and close down here. Make sure when you trade in this way, your timer should be in a correct setting, right? Do not trade on manual. Look, if you see a clock icon here, it's not what we want. We want the flag mode, right? +1, +1, and also this part of the clock should be on 0, so your trade closed exactly on the candle close, right? Yeah, so let me just go to the other pairs. It's been a long time we haven't traded QMs, to be honest. Okay, here's the QM. I don't know why, any setup I'm looking for, it just appears in front of my eyes. I don't know why is that. Okay, this is a QM zone for me, right? Let me just check the confirmation. All right, we got a huge engulf right here. We're probably gonna have, yeah, we got also 5-minute engulf as well. We got the lower time frame again, looking for the supply. Okay, the supply is up here, see that? Let me just mark the supply. But you know what's the thing about this QM? I personally wouldn't risk so much on this QM because it's a late retest QM, right? If you have watched the QM video, this QM is in the late retest category, which means that it's risky. When we have a QM, we want it to come up so fast. When it plays around and after a while it comes up, it becomes inaccurate, okay? So it might just cross this entry, go all the way up, and just close on like this. So it's going to be inaccurate. So since it's risky, I will just risk half of my normal amount, okay? Let's just see if it's going to be a winning trade. I will wait for this one to come up. You can set alarm. Right, I set alarm right here, and I will look for other pairs. Okay, this is another one. Look, very respected resistance area. And now we're gonna have a decision point somewhere here, right? We already see the fresh supply in 1 minute, but if you want to like refine that, there we go. This would be my fresh demand area, which I would take my trade on, right? Let me see if we would win this. Yeah, there we go. We would take the trade here. It would reject and close right here, right? So the trade would be on this candle and would be a buy. It would be a winning trade. Okay. This is also here's also a beautiful doji break trade. See, the market's just full of opportunities. Okay, here's the point about dojis I would like to mention. Look at this one. Would you take this doji? I'm sure so many of you would take this doji, but I wouldn't take it. Look at this momentum, it's coming down, right? Strong momentum to the downside. We're already out of range. Okay, market has a trend, so we wouldn't trust this doji, right? Don't take this kind of dojis. All right, the QM didn't come up. All right, we should have a decision point up here, and also we have this first, second, third touch. So I'll be looking for this one to be broken, and this is a momentum, but see weird wicks from the upside, from the downside. So I don't think it's a solid momentum, to be honest. So I might take this sell. Let me just see. Oh, it didn't break. If it was breaking, I would probably take the sell. Let me just go to lower time frame. I want to find something inside of that decision point. There we go. This is the supply that we will enter. Okay. There we go. This is the supply for that decision point. So if if the candle comes up here, it will be a very nice trade. Okay. It didn't still break that. I'll set an alarm here. It's about to break. I don't see any opportunity, guys. So I'm just gonna draw everything for this QM. All right. If we have this one in red, I will take the next one with the bars. I go with the bars for 2 trades. And it's simply red-green pattern. We are inside of this range. As you can see, we got this support area. So the way market moves, it's kind of obvious it's going to bounce off from the support, right? Based on the market's movement. And it's been doing like this. See that? So it's basically a QM, right? It's basically a QM. And in general, this is a buyer's area, right? And market sequence also confirms the trade. If you look, we have 2 reds, okay, which we have overlap between them, and then we got the green one, right? I thought this will happen again because we generally are in a buyer's area. And this rejection right here, you see, it's coming from this support area becoming a resistance, okay, like the decision point or something inside of it. You can also look at it from this perspective. It becoming it looks like a QM, right? Okay, I think that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me and make sure you join the Telegram channel only using the link in the description. Thank you for watching and peace out.